Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about some advanced models. Therefore, integral under root tan x dx. Integral root of tan x dx. Therefore, here first we take the tan x. First we take the tan x equal to t. The tan x is the t. Therefore, the derivative of the tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. The derivative of tan x is the secant square x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, now here suppose it will be taken some t square. The derivative here under root is there, therefore we are taking t square. Therefore the derivative of t square is the 2t into dt. 2t into dt. Therefore we know that secant square x is the form 1 plus tan square x. This is the 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x into dx equals to 2t into dt. Therefore, secant tan x is the t square. What is the tan x is here? T square. Therefore, now this is 1 plus t tan x is the t square. T square whole square is the t power 4. Is it clear? Tan x is the t square. T square whole square is the t power 4 into dx equals to 2t into dt. This is the 2t into dt. Therefore, now we can write the dx equal to 2t dt upon 1 plus t power 4. 1 plus t power 4. Dx is the 2t dt upon 1 plus t power 4. This is the dx. This is the dx. Therefore, now these all values dx and tan x we are substituting this. Therefore, dx and tan x are we are substituting that. Therefore, we are getting here the integral. This is the t square. Therefore, we are getting t square is the t. After that, what is the dx is 2 dt. The dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t power 4. Now this is, we can write the dx is the 2 dt. Therefore, now this is t into t is the t square. T into t is the t square dt upon 1 plus t power 4. 1 plus t power 4. Now here, this is the method 7. We know that 10 types of integrals. Here, this is the 10th one. How to write this one? In this case, we have to do, therefore in this case, we have to do only the t square plus 1, t square minus 1. Is it clear? T square plus t square is the 2t square. Therefore, t square plus t square is the 2t square. T square plus t square is the 2t square. Plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled upon 1 plus t power 4 dt. Now, these type of integrals, we know that so many times I explained. Therefore, integral after separation, we can write this is t square plus 1 dt by 1 plus t power 4. Now this is integral t square minus 1 into dt upon 1 plus t power 4. After that, the numerator and denominator are divided by t square. Now this is This will be t square by t square is the 1. Now this is the 1 by t square. Now this is the 1 by t square. T power 4 by t square is the t square. This is the dt. Is it clear? Now that one also we can write t square by t square. T square by t square is the 1 minus 1 by t square upon 1 by t square plus t square dt. The numerator and denominator both are divisible by t square. After that we can write this is, how to write this one? Now this is, in the numerator is plus is there. Here we can write this is t minus 1 by t. Here the numerator is minus is there between them. This can be written as t plus 1 by t. How to write this one? Now this is we can write here 1 plus 1 by t square dt upon, now this can be written as t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. Is it clear? Now this can be written as 1 plus 1 by t square dt. A square is this one, b square is this one. Now we are getting minus 2 plus 2 are cancelled. Therefore here this is the a square, b square. Now this one we can write integral 1 minus 1 by t square dt. Now this is the, we can write t plus 1 by t plus 1 by t whole square, a square, b square, 2ab. 2ab is the 2. Is it clear? A square plus b square, that is a plus 2 we are getting. Therefore we are taking minus 2. When we are taking the minus 2, plus 2 or minus 2 are cancelled. Therefore a square is the t square, b square is the 1 by t square, 2ab we are getting plus 2 minus 2 are cancelled. Now after that we can write this one is, how to write this one? When we are taking this is some y, all of you listen in this case. When we are taking this one is y, dy by y square plus root 2 whole square, 1 upon, all of you listen carefully, 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon x square plus a square is the 1 by a. Then it is the 1 by a. A is the here, this is the, we can write root 2 whole square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is t minus 1 by t by root 2. Is it clear? What is the t here? Root of tan x. T is the here root of tan x. How to write this one? dy by y square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of y by a. Y is the t minus 1 by t. Then we are taking here, this is y square minus root 2 whole square. Therefore 1 upon x square minus a square is the 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x plus a. What is the form? 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. A is the root 2. Log mod of x minus a. Log mod of x minus a by x plus a. X we are taking the t plus 1 by t. That is t plus 1 by t minus root 2. T plus 1 by t minus root 2 x minus a by x plus a. This is the form. Therefore 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a upon x plus a. X minus a upon x plus a. This is the form. Therefore how to resolve this one? First of all tan x be taken some t square. After that the derivative of tan x is the secant square x. Secant square x is the form 1 plus tan square x. Tan x is the t, tan square is the t power 4. This is sending to the other side. We are getting this one. This is, we know that when we can 2t square, this can be written as t square plus 1, t square minus 1. After separation we have to divide it with the numerator and the denominator is the t square. Then this is compared with dy by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. This is a dy by x square minus a square. 1 upon x square minus a square is the 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x plus a. Finally, we can take the integral constant is the c. This is the first one. Okay. Integral 4 upon sine power 4x cos power 4x dx. So integral 4 upon sine power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. How to solve this one? First we take the common factor is in the denominator. In the denominator cos power 4x. Now cos power 4x. Now here 1 plus sine power 4x upon cos power 4x dx. Therefore cos power 4x into 1 cos power 4x. This is the sine power 4 by cos power 4x. Therefore now into dx. After then we can write this is integral 4 into 1 by cos power 4 is the secant power 4x. Is it clear? So 4 into secant power 4x. Now this is the 1 plus sine power 4 by cos power 4x is the tan power 4x. Sine power 4x by cos power 4x is the tan power 4x dx. Therefore now this is 4 into secant power 4 can be written as secant square x into secant square x. Secant power 4 is the secant square into secant square upon 1 plus tan power 4x into dx. Therefore secant square x into dx is the dt. When we are taking the tan x equal to t, the tan x, let the tan x equal to t, the derivative of tan x is the secant square x dx equal to dt. Therefore here the secant square x dx is the dt. Now we can write here 4 into the 1 of the secant square x. 1 of the secant square x we can write the 1 plus tan square x. 1 of the secant square x we can write 1 plus tan square x. Therefore now we are taking the tan x is the t. That is the 1 plus t square. Therefore 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. Secant square x dx is the dt upon 1 plus tan x. Tan x is the t. Then it will becomes 1 plus t power 4. 1 plus t power 4. Therefore numerator and denominator both are divisible by t square. Now this can be written as 4 into integral of t square by t square is the 1. T square by t square is the 1. Therefore 1 upon t square, 1 upon t square into dt upon, therefore t square by t square is the 1. This is the 1 upon t square. Now this is t power 4 by t square is the t square. T power 4 by t square is the t square. Now this is 1 by t square. 1 by t square. Is it clear how to write this one? The numerator and denominator divisible by t square. T square by t square 1. 1 upon t square. Now this is the 1 by t square. T power 4 by t square is the t square. Just we know that already just now we completed. How to this one? We can write this is the numerator is the 1 plus 1 by t square. 1 by t square into dt. Now this is the t minus of 1 by t. T minus of 1 by t. This is the a square. This is the b square minus 2ab. Therefore we can write here plus 2. Is it clear? Therefore a square is this one, b square is this one, minus 2 plus 2 are the cancel. Therefore now we are taking the t minus t minus 1 by t, we are taking some y. T minus 1 by t is the y. Therefore, the derivative of the t is the 1 minus the derivative of minus 1 by t is the plus 1 by t square. This is the plus 1 by t square into dt equals to dy. Equals to dy. Is it clear? Therefore, derivative of t is the 1 minus 1 by t derivative is the plus 1 by t square into dt equals to dy. Therefore, then we can write here the integral of 4 into 1 plus 1 by t square dt is the dy. Therefore, this can be written as the dy upon, this is the y square plus root 2 whole square. This is the form of dy by dx by 1 plus x square a square is the 1 by a. 1 by a is the root 2. Tan inverse of x by a is the y by root 2 plus c. Now this is the 2 into root 2 tan inverse of, what is the y is here? T minus 1 by t. Y is the t minus of 1 by t. T minus of 1 by t. A is the root 2 plus c. Where t is the tan x. Therefore, this is the 2 root 2 tan inverse of t square minus 1 by root 2 into t, where t is the tan x. That is 2 root 2 tan inverse of tan square x minus 1 upon root 2 into tan x. Is it clear? This is the another one. Now the dx upon sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Therefore, here again we are taking the dx upon cos power 6x is the common factor. Now the cos power 6x is the common factor, 1 plus sin power 6x upon cos power 6x. Now this can be written as secant power 6x. Secant power 6x dx upon 1 plus sin by cos is the tan. Therefore, this is the tan power 6x. Then you can write this is, we know that the derivative of tan x is the secant square x. Now this can be written as secant square x whole square into secant square x dx. Secant square x whole square into secant square x into dx. Therefore, the secant square x, we know that also the secant square x is the 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is the secant square. Secant square whole square is the secant power 4. Secant power 4 into secant square is the secant power 6. Therefore, this is the 1 plus tan power 6x. 1 plus tan power 6x. Therefore, now we are taking the tan x equal to t. Therefore, put tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t. Therefore, the derivative of the tan x. The derivative of the tan x is the secant square x. The derivative of tan x is the secant square x into dx equal to dt. The derivative of tan x is the secant square x into dx is the dt. Therefore, now this is, we can write 1 plus tan x. Tan x is the t. Now we can write this is integral of 1 plus t square whole square. 1 plus t square whole square secant square x into dx is the dt. Therefore, now we can write this is 1 plus t power 6. 1 plus t power 6. Therefore, now this is, we can write the integral we can write the integral 1 plus t square whole square. Now this is the 1 plus t square whole cube 1 cube. This is the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is the a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now this is the a cube plus b cube is the a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now therefore the integral 1 plus t square whole square dt is the form a plus b 1 plus t square a plus b. Okay, a plus b into a square is the, what is the a square is 1, ab is the minus of t square, therefore b square is the t power 4. Therefore this is the integral, one time as the cancel, one time cancel, we are getting 1 plus t square dt equals to 1 minus t square plus t power 4. 1 minus t square plus t power 4. So how to solve this one? Both the numerator and denominator it is divided by t square. Therefore now we are getting, when it is divided by t square, integral, therefore integral 1 upon t square. Now when it is divided by t square by t square 1, this is the 1 by t square into dt. Integral t square by t square 1, this is the 1 by t square. Now this is 1 minus t square plus t power 4. Therefore here to find, here we can write this is t power 4 by t square is the t square. Now this is 1 by t square. Now this is the t square by t square is the minus 1. Now this is, we can write, the numerator is there, between 1 and 1 by t square is the plus sign. Therefore now we can arrange the denominator is 1 plus 1 by t square, 1 plus 1 by t squared dt. 1 plus 1 by t squared dt is, can be written as t minus 1 by t whole square. T minus 1 by t whole square. Now this is a square is this one, b square is this one, minus 2 we are getting, therefore we can write plus 2. Therefore now this is the, we can write plus 1. Is it clear? A square is this one, b square is this one, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. Therefore now this is, we are taking, let t minus 1 by t is the y. Therefore now this is the 1 plus 1 by t square dt equals to dy. The derivative of t1, 1 by t square dt equals to dy. Therefore now we can write this is integral of, now this is the integral of, this is the dy 1 plus 1 upon t square dt is the dy. This can be written as y square plus 1. This is the dx by 1 plus x square is the tan inverse of x. This is the dx upon 1 plus x square is the tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x plus c. That is the tan inverse of x plus c, where y is this one, y is the this one. Therefore tan inverse of y is the t minus of 1 by t, where t is the tan x. What is the t here? What is the t is here? Tan x. This is the tan inverse of tan x minus 1 by tan x. Is it clear? Therefore tan inverse of tan x minus 1 by tan x plus c, where t is the tan x, where t is the tan x. This is the answer. Integral x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 root of x power 4 plus 1 dx. All of you listen here carefully. The integral in the numerator is the common factor. We are taking x square. X square is the common factor. Therefore, now we can write this is 1 minus 1 upon x square into dx. X square into 1, x square cancel 1. Now in the denominator we have to take the common one is the x. That is x into x. X into x is the x square. Therefore this is the 1 by of x. Is it clear? X into x is the x square, x cancel 1. But in the denominator, in the under root part, we have to take the common factor is the x square. That is the x square into x square is the x power 4 plus 1 upon x square. Is it okay? X square into x square, x power 4, these are cancelled. After that, we can write this is integral x square into 1 minus of 1 by x square into dx upon, therefore square and root are cancelled. X into x is the x square. Square root cancel, x into x is the x square. That is the x plus 1 by x under root of x square plus 1 by x square. Therefore, these are cancelled. Now, the derivative of x is the 1. The derivative of 1 by x is the minus of 1 by x square. Therefore, this can be written as integral 1 minus 1 by x squared dx is the x plus 1 by x. Therefore, now this is x plus 1 by x whole square. A square is this one, b square is this one. This is the plus 2ab. This is the, you can write minus 2. Is it clear? How to this one? A square, b square, plus 2 is there. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Therefore, again we are taking the x plus 1 by x is the t. So here the x plus 1 by x is the t. Therefore, now here the x plus 1 we are taking the x plus 1 by x. Let x plus 1 by x is the t. The derivative of x is the 1. Derivative of 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square. Dx equal to dt. Therefore, now this is 1 minus 1 by x square dx is the dt. Therefore, we can write this is the integral dt by integral of dt by t into under root of t square minus 2. Is it clear? The integral dt by t into t square minus 2. T into t square minus 2. We can write this is the form of secant inverse of the t. Therefore, this is the form of, you can write this is the, how to write this one? You can write this is the formula of mod of t into root of t square minus 1. Therefore, how to write this one? This can be written as root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. Therefore, now this is the, we can write, therefore, when it is the root 2 whole square, undoubtedly we can write this is, when we are taking the common factor is the 2. When we are taking the this is the, undoubtedly this is the 2. Therefore, when we are taking the common factor is integral of dt by 1 by root 2. Now this is, how to write this one? When we are taking the common factor is the 2. When we are taking the common factor is the 2. Now this can be written as, how to write this one? Integral of t into, now this is t by 2, t by root 2 whole square minus 1. Is it clear? Now this is the root 2. Now this is the root 2. Therefore, how to write this one here? dt by t into 1 by root 2 whole square. This is multiple with root 2 are the, here we are multiple with, when it is, you can write this is root a into root b is the root of ab. Root a into root b is the root of ab. T square, this is cancel, this is the t square by 2. When this is multiple with this one, 2 cancel. Now this is the minus 2. How to write this one? When we are taking, this is the t by 2. In your rough, we are taking t by root 2 equals to y. T by root 2 equals to y. Therefore, dt equals to root 2 into dy. Therefore, is it clear? What is the dt? dt is the root 2 dy. Therefore, this is the 1 by root 2. Therefore, what is the dt? Root 2 dy. Root 2 dy. Therefore, what is the t is root 2 y. This is the y square minus 1. Therefore, in this case, root 2 cancel. Now, this can be written as 1 by root 2. This is the y into root of y square minus 1 is the, what is the form of y into root of y square minus 1 is the secant inverse of y plus c. What is the y is t by root 2. 1 by root 2 secant inverse of, what is the y is t by root 2. Where t is the, what is the t is x plus 1 by x. You can write x plus 1 by x upon root 2. This is the form. X plus 1 by x upon root 2. Where t is the x plus 1 by x upon root 2. This is the formula. 1 by root 2 secant inverse of x plus 1 by x by root 2. How to solve this one? First of all, we have to take here the x is the common. Then it will be x plus 1 by x. We are taking in the under root x square. Square root cancel, x into x is the x square. After that, x plus 1 by x will be taken some t. Therefore, dt by t into t square minus 2. Then you can write this is the 2 is the common. 2 is the common. This can be t square by 2. That can be t by root 2 whole square minus 1. Therefore, after that, the t by root 2 we take some y. dt equal to root 2 into dy. That is substitute in this. dt is the root 2 dy. Therefore, now the t is the root 2 y. Therefore, this is dy by y into y square minus 1 is the secant inverse of y. Y is the t by root 2, where t is the x plus 1 by x. Okay. So right now we are going to discuss some different models. Suppose the integrals are in the form of x power m, a plus b x power n whole power p. Suppose here p is directly integer. P is an integer. After then, this is the directly you can write a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square 4, b square x, 2ab, that is 2 root x. After that, we have to multiply with each term which this one. Then you can write, we are taking the formula integral of x power n, that is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Then it will be over. Okay. Suppose here is there 1 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3. How to solve this one? Here when it is 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3, undoubtedly here there t power 1 by t. It is a rational fraction. Undoubtedly it will be take some t square. Is it clear? Then it will be t square, 2 cancel. When it is a t square, undoubtedly these two are cancelled. Are you understand? Then suppose here negative integer is there. Negative integer is there. When it is a negative integer there, we are taking the LCM. LCM is here 3. Therefore, the LCM of m and n is the 3. Then we are taking, in this case, put x equal to t cube. Put x equal to t cube. Is it clear? Put x equal to t cube. In this case, this is over. After differentiation, put x equal to, when it is a negative integer, this is the negative integer. All of you listen here. It is a negative integer. We have to take x equal to t square. Therefore, in this case, we are taking 1 plus x cube whole power 4 is there. Here, root x is there. Yesterday, we have completed this model. We are taking the LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12, x equal to t power 12. We are substituting x equal to t power 12 in this case. The cube root of x, 1 upon cube root of x plus 4th root of x. We are taking the last class x equal to t square. In this case also here is there root x, this is the cube root of x, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. The LCM of 2 and 3, there, that is the 6. Therefore, in this case, x is we are taking some t power 6. Is it clear? After that we can expand. This is the binomial expansion. Okay. Then we are going to the next one is, what is the next one is x power 5 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2. Here directly we can take, when it is a rational fraction, 1 plus x square equal to t square. 1 plus x square equal to t square. Then you can write this is the x cube. 1 plus x square equal to t square. Are you clear? Therefore, here is there, suppose 1 plus x cube is there here. We can write 1 plus x cube equal to t square. 1 plus x cube equal to t square. How to solve this type of integrals? When it is a negative integer, then you can write this one b, that means m plus 1 by n plus p is a integer. So these type of models are m plus n, already this one completed, m plus 1 plus n plus p. Therefore, when it is a m plus 1 by n plus b is an integer, undoubtedly we can write this one. Integral already completed in this model, x power 4 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 2. After that we have to take the x power 4 is the common this part. Therefore, when we are taking the common factor of x power 4, 1 plus 1 by x power 4 be taken t. 1 plus 1 by x power 4 is t. So when after the common factor of x power 4, then we are taking 1 plus 1 x power 4 is the t. These are all very important models. This one and this one already completed in the last class. Now this model, how to complete this one? Dx upon, therefore here the dx upon, what is there here? The dx upon integral dx upon x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. This is also one of the very, very important model. So how to solve this one? How to solve this one? Therefore, in this case here we are taking integral dx upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Is it clear? X minus 1 upon x plus 2. X minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Now this is the x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. X plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Is it clear? How to write this one? X plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. X plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Therefore, now this is the integral dx upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 is the 5 plus 3 is the 8. 8 by 4 is the 2. Therefore, now this is x plus 2 whole square. 5 plus 3 is the 8. 8 by 4 is the 2. Therefore, here we are taking some t. X minus 1 upon x plus 2 we are taking the t. when it is the t, we can write this is compared with u by v. X plus 2 into derivative of the x is the 1 minus of x minus 1 into derivative of x is the 1 whole of dx. Okay, whole of dx. This is the x plus 2 whole square that equals to dt. X are cancelled. Minus of minus plus 1 3 upon x plus 2 whole square dx equal to dt. Therefore this is sending to the other side, then it will be integral 1 by 3. 3 is sending other side, 1 by 3 dx by 1 plus x square, dx by 1 plus x, dx by x plus 2 whole square, dx by x plus 2 whole square is the dt upon t power 3 by 4. Now this is 1 by 3 integral t power minus 3 by 4 dt. Is it clear how to write this one? The plus of 3 by 4 sending other side, minus of 3 by 4. Now this is the t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 1. We know that here x power n, integral x power n is the x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now this is 4 1 ja 4. This is the 1 by 3 t power 1 by 4. This is the 1 by 4. Now this is completely sending to the numerator. Therefore now this is the 4 by 3 t power 1 by 4. What is the t is here? T is the x minus 1 by x plus 2. Finally you can write 4 by 3 x minus 1 x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. This is the answer. 4 by 3 x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. Is it clear? So hi everyone. So this is today. All of you here, just 1 minute. Once again I explain this one. Now this is the here x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4 is there, but here 3 by 4 is there. Once again we are take x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. These two are cancelled. We are getting again this one. After then adding this is whole square. Then you can write when we are taking this is the t. This is the t. Dx by x plus 2 whole square is the dt. Into 3 sending other side by 3. Therefore this is the 1 by 3 dt. Plus 3 by 4 is the sending to the numerator minus of 3 by 4. Therefore integral of x power n. X power n is the x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore t power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. This is the 4 by 3 t power 1 by 4. Where t is the what is the t is here? The t is the here x minus 1 upon x plus 2. X minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. This is today. Okay, thank you all.